What brings me to the health and safety event is that it is the only national event now, really. It's the only one that's really big. It attracts people from all over the UK. You've basically got the largest number of exhibitors anywhere in the UK now.
Bigger than you could ever expect, so much to look at, so many different industry sectors that you've perhaps even not even thought about. It's been really good and it gives us a lot to take back to our customers as well.
I've done shows similar to this before on other categories within Milwaukee, and we haven't had this level of footfall. So that's been really refreshing. We've had the stand has been constantly busy. We've always got people kind of on there.
The health and safety event for us is a key part of our marketing strategy here in the UK. It's well attended and supported by some of the key end users that we know and some that we don't know and target. So it's critical for us to be here to showcase what we're about as a brand.